Welcome to our beginner English class. We invite you to come and learn with us.
Yes, boss. The report is ready. No, I haven't slept. Sleep is for weaklings.
I'm late. Gotta go. Okay, bye. Mom, you look like a zombie from The Last of Us. Not a vibe.
I'm fine, honey. I'm a super mom. Okay, I can do this. Just need to cross-reference this data with the report. Almost there. Let's send it. Even superheroes have a breaking point.
I am so sorry, Emily. You work too hard.
Is she going to be okay?
She is exhausted. She needs pure rest. Doctor, how is she? No work, no cooking, no stress for 1 week. Absolutely none. We understand. Thank you.
She does everything for us. She works all day and all night.
I have to go back to the office.
No, Mom. Rest now. We will handle everything. Oh, we have a plan, right, Tom? Yes. Yes. Operation Save Mom starts now. We're heading home now, honey.
Just take it slow, sweetie.
Mom, are you okay?
The doctor says it's extreme fatigue. Mom needs 100% rest.
I'll be fine after a short rest.
Wait, who is making dinner? I can't eat emojis.
Don't worry, kids. Dad will try his best to take over from your mother. Don't worry, kids. I have a plan. It's called pizza.
We had pizza for breakfast, Dad. It's time to level up. You're right. Let's do it.
All right, you win. This dough is too strong for me.
Okay, in you go. Now, which one of these buttons is the bake? Oh man, let's see. Bake, broil, sell. Almost ready. Just need to tidy this up first.
Oh no. It's burning. Oh, come on. Too late. Oh, for goodness sake.
Oh, no. Uh-oh. I can explain.
Where are my socks? Not those ones. Ugh, just the dirty ones. Ew.
How do I do this? Buttons? Which one? All right, towel, let's do this. Whoa. Okay, got it. Nailed it. Ta-da! I need to check my email. No way, Hey, Mom, stay in bed. Your inbox is banned. Yeah, the house is a mess, but we've got this, maybe.
Mom works too hard because we don't help enough. That stops today.
I can do the dishes. It's like a water mini game. I don't think I'm doing this right. Oh, there's still stuff on this one.
This machine is a monster!
Is this salt or sugar?
I don't know either.
I brought you some soup, honey. And we have medicine and water.
We hope you feel better, Mommy.
Thank you all, you're the best.
All right, let's get you up.
Thank you, that feels better.
Here's some soup and your medicine.
Okay. Thank you, love. Oh, wow. Did a professional cleaning crew come here?
Better. Your favorite humans did it. It's not perfect, but it's made with love.
It's the best soup in the world.
I have some medicine for you, Mom.
Thank you, sweetie. You're the best.
Ah,
Feeling better already. Thank you, kids. I feel so much better now that you're all here.
we're not going anywhere, Mom. We missed you.
I missed you too, sweethearts.
Wow, that's amazing.
Did you see that? So cool.
What a great movie.
Awesome.
I loved it.
So many notifications.
Mommy, look, it's starting.
Just a second, sweetie.
Woohoo! We learned a big lesson this week. Exhausted means very, very tired.
Work-life balance is important.
Don't wait until you are sick to rest.
And And don't let your mom do everything. See? Family is everything. See you later.